everyone, you must be wondering what am I doing in my bathrobe. Well, I have got an exciting product from a brand which is right here. That's the advantage of being an influencer. You get a lot of products. I'm going to show you this product and then I'm going to apply it. And you can guess it that this product is supposed to be applied at night. That is why I'm ready to go to bed. And I'm ready in my suit. What are we gonna do today? This is the brand. Can you see it? It's called Purati Naturals. Let me get it closer. Yeah, I think you can see it now. It's called Purati Naturals. It's a night cream and the packaging is amazing. It's very sleek and let me read out a few things. So, it's a skincare product obviously, and it says enhances the appearance of skin elasticity and firmness. And you're supposed to use it at night before you go to bed after you do your routine. So I'm going to wash my face first and then I'm going to be applying this cream. And it also says that our night cream formula includes peony root extract. You can Google it, the advantage of peony, P-E-O-N-Y, root extract, vitamin C, lavender oil. Oh, I forgot introducing myself. You're watching D-Rocks TV and I do a lot of product reviews. It's skincare, health products and also electronics. And thank you for watching D-Rocks TV. Anybody who has not seen my channel, it's a channel that has got healthy lifestyle videos. Also, I'm a life coach as well as relationship coach and I do a lot of product reviews as well. So thank you for joining. And today we are talking about this awesome night cream product, which is Purati Night Cream. And it's an advanced formula, it says. And then they say that we are a makeup-free beauty brand for men and women of all backgrounds, which means men can use this product too. Awesome. And I think without any further ado, I should give this a try. Oh, by the way, the directions it says evenly apply to clean face and neck at night prior to bedtime. So don't forget your neck. A lot of times we forget our neck. We just apply it on our face. It should go on your neck. And it says gently massage in circular motion because that really helps to get the product inside your skin. So I'll show you that circular motion and can be a part of nightly skin routine. I think you probably can apply this even in the morning, but it's a night cream, so I would go by what they say that applied in night. And but they say it can be a part of nightly skincare routine, which means maybe you can use it in the morning. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to open this up. Tan-tan! I finally managed to open it. And this is how it looks. Ooh, I love the packaging. By the way, thanks Purati Naturals for sending me this product. I have to thank the brand. Oh, it also says spin and win. Go to spinpin.com. I'll go tomorrow. Okay, so their packaging is awesome. You can see it, and now I need a scissor in order to open this. So give me a second. Alright, I have opened it up and I'm excited. I'm just going to show it to you quickly, but I have to wash my face before I try it. So you can see it's awesome. It looks pretty dense. I love the packaging and it's good amount of quantity. So let's go, and I'm going to take you in my bathroom right now and we're going to wash the face and then I'm going to apply it. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to begin with cleaning my face with my cleanser. Make sure your cleanser goes in deep. Make sure you have your skin completely dry before you apply the product. So, and whatever your skin routine is, after you're done with your skin routine, after you have exfoliated, done with your cleaning, with your cleansing, I normally just do cleansing. Sometimes I use exfoliator, but whatever your skin routine is, then you're going to apply this cream by Purati Naturals. So, I'm going to apply it now. And like they said that you're going to massage it. So after I have applied it here and some on the neck area, I'm going to massage it in circular motion. You can first just apply it judiciously. Okay, I'm loving the smell of this. This is amazing. You guys are going to like this product. So now I'm going to go in circular motion. So I normally count 10 times. So and then right here. Out here you go upwards. That's also gonna tighten your skin a bit. And then on your neck, you're gonna go this way. Wow, I love the smell. Alright, so I think I've done a pretty good job. As you can see, it's not even sticky, it's like amazing. It's almost like a skin hydration or something. I thought it would be thick because when I saw the product it looked pretty dense, but when you apply it, it's amazing. And I can feel a little bit of tingling, so I know it's doing something, it's working. Whew. So I'm done. Now I'm going to go to bed. So I want to wish all my viewers good night. And I would definitely ask you to try this product. I'm just going to show this once more. It's Purati Night Cream. I'm going to get it closer to the camera. It looks like that. And try this product and comment if you liked it too. I'm also going to include the link of the brand and in my description. And also I'll probably include the Amazon link if you want to buy it from Amazon. And please feel free to let me know what happens when you try the product. At least try it for a month to see the results. This is my 10th day, so I love the product already. I only do product reviews once I have tried the product and once I am satisfied. So I love the product. I can see a lot of difference on my skin. So maybe try it for at least 10 or 11 days and then feel free to comment on my video. Thank you for watching Drox TV. Bye.